Today we have the 2017 Mercedes-Benz V-Class Marco Polo camper. This vehicle has done just under 35,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with our sink, cooker and fridge. Just below we have our foldable table, providing us with a dining area, and behind me is our first of two double beds. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this doubles up as two belted seats, making this camper 4 belts, 4 berth. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, radio, media, smartphone integration and our vehicle settings. If we pan our camera around, we can get a good view of our pop top.